Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Budapest. I have a quick transfer here. I have just 6 hours and I've decided instead of just sitting and waiting, I'm gonna go around and explore a little bit. So it's gonna be very intuitive, very improvised tour, and I want you to join me. So I think this video is gonna be helpful to someone who also has a transfer or someone who has just one day. I'm not gonna go inside to any buildings. It's not gonna be educational. It's not gonna be informational. It's just purely gonna be a walk around. And if you're interested, please continue watching. I promise you that it's gonna be a lot of interesting things. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a like in the end of the video. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments. Now let's explore Budapest in 6 hours. The first impression is really pretty here, but kind of dark. Especially today is cloudy, so it has like this mystical mystery vibe, but I have like a good first impression. The first thing that I need to do is to go to print my ticket for the train, because that's very important. Apparently you cannot enter the train with the e-ticket. You must print it, so that's what I'm gonna do first, and then I will try to find something to eat because I'm really hungry, and then I will have a couple of hours to go around and see what's up. Okay, I found a place to print out my ticket, so now I can relax and actually go around and look a little bit what Budapest has to offer. I still haven't found food, but I'm going towards the direction of the Parliament. Well, that's like the most iconic, most famous landmark of Budapest, and to the chain bridge. Let's see if I find something on my way. I honestly, since it's just a couple of hours and it's just a transfer, I haven't prepared anything about Budapest, and I don't know much about Hungary, maybe just the chimney cake and a bit of history. So it's gonna be a very improvised experience, and if you just like me like random trips, or if you actually have also a long transfer, this video actually might be helpful for you. Okay, let's go to some iconic landmarks and hopefully try to find some food. I walked for quite a bit already, and it looks like all the main attractions are very close here. So if you have a transfer or just like 1 or 2 days here, you probably don't need the transportation card. You can actually walk to most places, and what surprised me quite a bit is that the place is kind of empty. Like honestly, I expected it to be a bit more crowded, but I guess it's not the season yet. Well, it's middle May, so I expected to be more people, but maybe it's because of the weather, because it's really cloudy, kind of cold today. I made a rookie mistake. I didn't check the weather and I don't have proper clothes, so it's a bit cold, but not too bad. Or because maybe it's middle of the week. But anyway, I feel like it's a really good time to come to enjoy, because it's really empty. Not so many people, no crowds. I would recommend it. Okay, so I crossed the river from Pest side to Buda side, and since my phone was dying, I was really cold, I was really hungry, so I just put on Google Maps Hungarian food and found a couple restaurants that are close, have good reviews, and have high rating. So I found this cute, nice place that serves Hungarian food. It has really good reviews, but unfortunately, Hungarian food is really based on meat. So I cannot eat traditional goulash or schnitzel because I don't eat meat, but they have 4 vegetarian options, which is really nice. So I ordered gnocchi with the goat cheese something and lemonade, and I'm waiting for it to arrive, and I'm really excited because I really want to eat and check what I'm having. Okay, so it's not Italian gnocchi as I thought, because on the menu it says gnocchi. No, it's some kind of Hungarian gnocchi. I just googled a little bit. It's called nokedli or something like this. It's flour with mixed with cheese here, and it serves with the cheese on top and with the sour cream. So it's very creamy, quite heavy, and it actually tastes really good. So I feel like it's a really good vegetarian option of Hungarian food. Let's talk a little bit about money. Even though the currency exchange is crazy, it's €1 is like 404 Hungarian forint. It's not as cheap as it might seem. I just had lunch and it was €20, just one dish and one drink. I know I had it like not in the cheapest area, but still, it's a bit expensive. Also, like I've been looking in the prices in the like different outside menus. So yeah, the dish would cost you somewhere like between 10 to 15 euros, which I think for Eastern European country is not that cheap. Definitely there are countries that are more affordable. And also if you're looking for a place where you can come and just get drunk cheap, well, it's not the case anymore. It's not like that. So don't believe if you hear that Hungary is cheap. I walked quite a bit already, and I feel like the lunch already settled in my stomach, and it might be the time for Hungarian chimney cake. I don't know if you heard it, but it's one of the most famous desserts, at least in Europe, and I'm super excited to try it here. I tried it before, but of course it's not the same when I try it from the country where it was born. And the waiter from the restaurant recommended me one chimney cake place to go, but I'm not gonna go there because I checked it on Google Maps and it actually has not so good reviews and rating is not so good. So I searched for another option and I found like this really cute small place which seems to be really nice, so I'm gonna go there and try the chimney cake.
So you get some oil and you spread it so it won't stick when it's ready. Then you get the dough. It has to be fluffy because of the yeast. And now you just roll it very thin. So when you put it on there, here you make a round circle and you hide it so it won't open when you bake it. And then with a little bit of force you flatten it, and there you have it. And now you let it raise a little bit.
Okay, so I got my chimney cake and I asked for the girl for the traditional one. So she explained to me that the traditional one doesn't come with the Nutella or with the ice cream or anything inside. It's just basically the dough. Then she covers it with the butter or with the oil, and then she put it in sugar, which get a bit caramelized, and then she also rolled it in the walnut. So this is the traditional chimney cake. All the other stuff with the also it can be with the cinnamon, but all the other stuff with all the fillings inside is not the traditional. It's really good. I tried it before, but this time I decided to try something really traditional. And this shop is really nice. It's really small. It's a bit unnoticeable. I'm gonna leave a Google link to this place because honestly it's one of the places that has the highest reviews in the neighborhood. It's a bit outside of city center. I mean like city center, still in city center, but like a bit on the side. It's interesting. It's like cake or cookie. It's not too sweet, which is really nice. It's a bit dry for my taste. I would like maybe tea or coffee with this, but in general, I think this is the best chimney cake that I tried so far. I'm sure if you add like Nutella or ice cream or any other filling, it's gonna be even like it's gonna give it like this a bit fresh taste. But even like this, okay, I'm surprised. It's really good. was waiting for my chimney cake, it started to rain outside, so I just found the nearest coffee place to where I was, and I got my green tea, I got my chimney cake, and since it's raining, I'm not gonna go anywhere else anymore. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate it. It's really important for me. I'm still learning, I'm still trying, and your support, guys, is really important for me. You just cannot imagine how much it motivates. So please subscribe to my channel, give a like if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment of support, or maybe you have some questions, and I really appreciate it. I have the best subscribers. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for being with me. If you want to check out the whole journey that I'm going from Valencia to Budapest to Kiev, I'm gonna put this video somewhere in the end, so you can, if you're interested, you can see the whole journey. Well, see you in the next video. Bye.